Hello everyone, this is Thomas, the creator of Independent Academy. Today we continue to study the Money on-Chain protocol. And we're going to see how we can use our MoC tokens and stake them in order to participate to accrue voting power in the platform, and most importantly, how to earn passively with our MoC tokens and how we can earn more MoC tokens. Just remember that the best way to think about the MoC token is a way for us to invest in the future of the Money on-Chain protocol itself. So if that's something that is of interest to you, it's something you might consider doing. So we see now that on our wallet we have a little bit more than 7 MoC tokens. It's not a lot. I think this is yes, it's less than $1, 0.76 cents. But the same process works irrespective of the amount. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the side menu, and we have all the tokens here: DOC, BPRO, and MoC. So we're going to go here. We're going to click on MoC. And again, this is very, very easy, and it only takes a few steps to do. We're going to see here that the MoC amount, this is the amount that we have on our wallet right now, 7.48. And we see here where it says staked. These are the ones that I already staked. Okay, so this I staked before, 115. And these ones will continue to increase. Like if I leave this and I come back tomorrow, there's going to be more here because MoC accrues and auto stakes the rewards automatically. We don't have to do anything, and that's great because it means that as soon as we earn more MoC, those MoC start earning more MoC. That's a compounding effect that is quite powerful. We can see that the amount that we will get is actually pretty good. It's almost 10% per year, so that's great. And here also on available to stake, you will see that it's basically available to stake is the same as the amount that we have on our wallet, right? It's the same. So all we need to do is select how much we would like we could do 2, or we could do 5, or for me to make it easier, I'm just going to click on add total available, and I'm going to do all of it, right? And then I'm going to click stake. This is going to warn us that, first of all, it's going to tell us that if we stake MoC, then we're going to get MoC staking rewards, which is what we want. But then it also tells us that we will not be able to unstake whenever we want. We have to go through a process of 30 days. So when we click to unstake, it's going to take 30 days for those tokens to become available to us. So that's something that we need to keep in mind. This is more of a long-term investment that we would be doing. So I'm just going to click confirm. And now I'm going to be prompted in my wallet to confirm the transaction. I say this in every tutorial, but depending on which wallet you are using, this interface might look differently, but it's always the same thing. It's just presenting you the information, telling you how much a transaction fee is going to cost you, and asking you to confirm. That's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to confirm. And we see that the operation is now pending. Okay. When the transaction gets completed, this will change into complete. So right now I'm going to stop the video so that we don't have to wait all this time. Transactions in Rootstock are very, very quick, so it should be taking a couple minutes at the most. You shouldn't have to wait too long for this to happen. But I'm just gonna close it now so we don't have to wait while you're watching this. And there you have it. The transaction now appears as success. You don't have to do anything. It will change by itself once it's done. And we can only just click close. Here, this part could be important. If you need it, you can just click here and it will redirect you to the Explorer where you can see the transaction. Every transaction in the blockchain gets recorded, so if you need it, you can access it quite easily by doing that. After, you just click close, and that's it. You're gonna see that now our MoC tokens in our wallet have gone down to 0, and the amount that we have staked has actually increased. And they will start earning a 9.97% instantly. As soon as we do it, we start earning. And that's the beauty of staking on the Money on Chain protocol. So once again, just to recap, we start on the home screen. We go in the side section, we go to the MoC token. Then we select how much we want to stake. We click on stake, we confirm the transaction, and that's it. Super, super easy. And remember that the MoC tokens, you can see here that it's changing automatically, because it'll automatically earn as token and restake those earnings. So that's we don't have to do anything, which is pretty useful. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If there's anything that you haven't not understood, if there's any questions, whatever it is, just if you're watching this on YouTube or any other social media, leave them in the comments. I invite you to visit the independentacademy.org, which is the place where we're putting all the tutorials, all the guides, and everything for you to understand how to use this technology and all the rootstock applications and Bitcoin and all of that, in artificial intelligence, everything, any tool that we find and we think is useful for people to become independent, you'll find it here. And if you go to the newsfeed, you can publish and ask all your questions, all your suggestions, all your feedback, and it's all gonna help us make the Academy better. So, thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next one, and I hope this has been valuable to you.